Welcome to another episode of To Work Talk, where we dive deep into the world of motorcycles. Today, we're exploring the 2025 Indian Chieftain, a tour that blends classic American cruiser aesthetics with modern performance and technology. Plus, we'll give you a sneak peek into what the 2026 model might bring. Cut to a dynamic montage of the 2025 Indian Chieftain cruising through scenic landscapes. Narrator, VO. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the touring scene, the Chieftain promises a ride that's both exhilarating and comfortable. Let's break down what makes this bike stand out. Segment 1. Engine and Performance. Footage of the Chieftain's engine starting up, followed by shots of the bike on the road. Narrator, VO. At the heart of the 2025 Chieftain lies the Thunderstroke 111V twin engine. With a displacement of 111 cubic inches and 119 feet-pounds of torque, it delivers ample power for highway cruising and city maneuvering alike. Cut to close-up shots of the engine and exhaust. Narrator, VO. Paired with the 6-speed transmission, the Chieftain offers smooth gear transitions, ensuring a seamless riding experience. The engine's deep rumble is not just heard but felt, embodying the spirit of American motorcycling. Segment 2. Design and Comfort. Footage showcasing the Chieftain's sleek design, including the fork-mounted fairing and saddlebags. Narrator, VO. Design-wise, the Chieftain maintains its iconic stylish streamlined fork-mounted fairing, saddlebags, and an open front fender with a 19-inch 10-spoke cast alloy black wheel. These elements not only enhance its visual appeal but also contribute to its aerodynamic efficiency. Cut to shots of the bike's seat and ergonomic controls. Narrator, VO. Comfort is paramount. The low seat height and ergonomically designed controls cater to a wide range of riders, ensuring that long-distance journeys remain fatigue-free. Segment 3. Technology and Features. Footage of the Chieftain's 7-ride command display in action. Narrator, VO. Technology integration is seamless. The 7-inch ride command display offers turn-by-turn navigation, customizable gauge screens, and Bluetooth connectivity. With the addition of Ride Command Plus, riders gain access to live weather and traffic overlays, Apple CarPlay, and more. Cut to shots of the bike's audio system and keyless ignition. Narrator, VO. Audio enthusiasts will appreciate the high-output speakers delivering 100 watts of crystal-clear sound. Plus, features like keyless ignition, cruise control, and USB charging ports add to the Chieftain's rider-centric appeal. Segment 4. Safety and Handling. Footage of the Chieftain navigating through various terrains. Narrator, VO. Safety is enhanced with features like ABS, traction control, and a lightweight cast aluminum frame that ensures responsive handling. The bike's low center of gravity contributes to its agile cornering capabilities. Cut to shots of the bike's braking system in action. Narrator, VO. Braking is handled by Brembo calipers with dual semi-floating rotors at the front and a single floating rotor at the rear, providing consistent stopping power. Segment 5. Storage and Practicality. Footage of the Chieftain's saddlebags being opened and closed. Narrator, VO. Practicality is key for touring motorcycles. The Chieftain's remote locking hard saddlebags offer over 18 gallons of weatherproof storage, ensuring your gear stays dry and secure. Cut to shots of the bike's adjustable windshield and fairing vents. Narrator, VO. Additional features like a power-adjustable windshield and adjustable fairing vents allow riders to tailor their comfort levels, whether cruising on highways or navigating city streets. Segment 6. Pricing and Variants. Footage showcasing different color options and variants of the Chieftain. Narrator, VO. The 2025 Chieftain starts at $23,999. Variants like the Chieftain Dark Horse and Chieftain Limited offer additional features and styling options, catering to diverse rider preferences. Cut to shots of the Chieftain in various settings. Narrator, VO. Each variant maintains the core performance and comfort features, ensuring that no matter your choice, the Chieftain delivers an exceptional riding experience. Segment 7. Anticipating the 2026 model. Footage of the 2025 Chieftain transitioning to conceptual renderings of the 2026 model. Narrator, VO. Looking ahead, the 2026 Chieftain is expected to build upon its predecessor's strengths. While official details are yet to be released, rumors suggest enhancements in areas like infotainment systems, rider assistance technologies, and possibly a more powerful engine variant. Cut to shots of the 2025 Chieftain's features. Narrator, VO. Whatever the 2026 model brings, it's clear that Indian Motorcycle is committed to evolving the Chieftain to meet the needs of modern riders. Closing scene. Footage of the Chieftain riding into the sunset. Narrator, VO. Whether you're drawn to the 2025 Chieftain for its blend of classic design and modern technology, or you're eagerly awaiting the 2026 model, one thing is certain: the Chieftain continues to embody the spirit of American motorcycling. Upbeat music fades out. Narrator, VO. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Torque Talk. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth motorcycle reviews and discussions.